Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we are making cheese party sandwiches, or appetizers for the parties that you're going to have. So, hey, it's the holiday season, parties. So what you're going to need for this is just some dinner rolls. I got some King Hawaiian rolls, and that's 12 of them here. You may want to get more than one pack of the dinner rolls. Maybe one more pack of this too. This is a cheese log or a cheese roll, cheese ball. This is a log. Make it a little bit easier to demonstrate this for you guys. Okay, so what I'm going to do, even though I don't think I need to, I'm going to heat the rolls up, and then we're going to take care of the rest of this. I'll show you how to go do this, and this stuff is really good and make a great little appetizer for the next party you have. Alright, well, I'll see you guys later. Okay guys, we got these heated up, although I don't think you really need to, but I think it makes it go a little bit easier. So make this a little bit quicker. I'm going to go ahead and pull these buns apart, or rolls. Then, alright, the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and make little notches here. Get your cheese log figured out. Make sure there's 12 equal parts, because you got 12 rolls here. Okay, then the first thing you're going to want to do is either decide if you want to have it fully taken off, or just leave a little bit of, have it fully taken off, or just have a little bit laying right there. I'm going to try the hinge and see how, we'll see how that goes. This would be, I like cheese logs. You just take the cheese, the little cheese thing sitting in there, and you close your thing up, and there you go, right there. So we're gonna go ahead and do the rest of these here. Close them all up in here. See, this goes pretty good when you use the log. Doing it with the cheese ball is a little bit more complicated. So you got a different way you have to cut it. Alright, there we go. I ain't gonna be totally perfect, but it doesn't have to be perfect, and you just want to just cut them open and put your cheese in there. So this is just a pretty little simple, easy party appetizer. I've done this with the actual cheese ball. So before, but this is just to show you that you can do it in a simple fashion. You just fill up your plate here. And you guys can also, with these, you can make the jalapeno poppers that I made a few videos back for your party. And I'm sure I'll have some more party type stuff coming up. Especially All right. See, and then you just lay out your rolls like that on a plate or a thing, and you're all set, ready to go. All right. Well, let me give one of these a try here. Here we go. Now, I used the King Hawaiian. I like the taste of King Hawaiian. So, let's go ahead and give this a try here. Hey, this is good. Especially with the King Hawaiian taste, because they got that little bit of it. Just have that little sweet taste the King Hawaiians do. It goes really good with the cheese. You just use you can get a couple of packs. The dinner rolls, make several different ones. So I guarantee you these will go quick at a party. So you saw it was really easy, just 2 ingredients. Hardest thing is cutting up the cheese log or the cheese ball. So okay guys, I hope you enjoy this at your next party, and comment below, and take time to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so you can catch more cooking videos like this. And I also do some taste test videos and some sightseeing and adventure type stuff. So I'll catch you guys later, and enjoy yourself.